In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ScreenFlow in List View button. Start by signing in to your Salesforce org and opening Setup from the gear icon. From there, choose the Advanced Setup view so you're on the full admin home. In the Quick Find box, type Flows, open the Flows page, and click New Flow. Select ScreenFlow. A ScreenFlow lets you guide users through inputs before an action runs, which is perfect when you want a list view button to prompt for details and then perform something like sending emails. Inside Flow Builder, open the toolbox and create a new resource. Choose Variable, give it a clear API name, and set the data type to text. Turn on Allow Multiple Values, so this variable can hold a collection of values, such as multiple email addresses. Also check Available for Input. That flag allows the List View button to pass data into the flow when it launches. Click Done. Add your first element by clicking the plus icon and choose Screen. A screen element displays fields to users and collects their responses. Drag a text component onto the canvas. Provide a user-friendly label, like a subject prompt. You'll notice the API name automatically fills based on the label. Click Done to save the screen. Next, add another element and choose Send Email. Give the action a label. The API name will populate for you. For recipient addresses, select the variable you created earlier, the one designed to receive a collection from the list view. This ensures the flow can email everyone passed in from the selected records. Set the related record or record ID field so the email action can associate with a record when appropriate, which helps with logging and context. Choose current user as the sender so the message comes from the person running the flow. For the subject, reference the text field from the screen so whatever the user typed becomes the email subject. Use the record ID token again where the action requests it to maintain proper linkage. Then, type the email body content you want sent to recipients. Click Save to store your changes. Provide a descriptive label for the flow. The API name will autofill. Save again to finalize. At this point, your ScreenFlow is ready to be launched by a List View button, which will pass in selected data, prompt the user for a subject, and send emails from the current user to the chosen recipients. That's it. You learned how to create the ScreenFlow, define an input variable for list selections, capture user input, and wire a send email action to use those values. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.